ఆటా 18th కన్వెన్షన్ భారీగా ఇక్కడ అట్లాంటాలో జరుగుతుందండి. చాలామంది డిప్లొమాట్స్, సెలబ్రిటీస్, ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్సర్స్ వచ్చారు. సో నాతో పాటు ఉన్నారు వన్ ఆఫ్ ద వెరీ ఫేమస్ యాక్ట్రెస్ హూ వర్క్డ్ విత్ మహేష్ బాబు ఇన్ ద మూవీ శ్రీమంతుడు. సో లెట్స్ వెల్కమ్ her to the Sakshi TV US. Hello Angana, welcome to Sakshi TV US. How are you doing?
Hi. Thank you so much. My pleasure to be here in Atta, and thank you so much for interviewing me today.
So is this your first trip to Atlanta?
Oh no, I have attended APTA. I have attended a couple of other conventions as well, but Atta to in Atlanta, first time.
Oh, I like that, you know. Atta to Atlanta. Atlanta, yes. So let's talk about the Telugu. You speak Telugu?
కొంచెం మాట్లాడతాను, మేనేజ్ చేద్దాం.
మేనేజ్ చేద్దామా? సో ఎలా అనిపించింది ఇంతమంది తెలుగు కమ్యూనిటీ వాళ్ళను వన్ రూఫ్లో ఇక్కడ ఆటా కన్వెన్షన్ ద్వారా చూడడం?
See, first and foremost, so many Indians, right? Like when I come here, I represent India. So Telugu definitely it's a very, very proud factor. But so many Indians, I just feel so proud that the Indian community has made it so big here in a country like US. So chala proud feel avutunnamu. And I'm very glad that it's been 6 to 7 years constantly at a row that I always come and attend things here in the US, whether it is NATA, TANA, APTA and ATA, all of it. So I'm very, very happy to be here.
Yeah, so you always wanted to be an actress?
I was a model. I was, of course, a model, and I was a Miss India finalist. I was from the South Zone. I represented from Bangalore, and I was one of the finalists from South Zone. So after my Pond Seminar Miss India, I got into films. I predominantly did more work in Tamil. I did about 20 films in Tamil, and I've done about 4 in Telugu. But the Telugu people love me here in the US, and they keep calling me back. So I'm very glad.
Yes. So how was the experience working with Mahesh Babu?
Oh, he's a gentleman. He's a gentleman, and he's very punctual. He's extremely professional, and it's been an honor to work with him. And I'm looking forward to work more in Telugu so that the next time I come back, there are more people, and I get to do. You'll see me even on the ramp today. I'll be walking.
Okay.
So yeah, I look forward to do more work in Telugu and come to your country more often.
Yeah. So what excites you other than movies?
I love music. I like food. I like cooking. I like traveling.
Do you cook? What's your favorite dish?
Oh, okay. I'm an Indian, of course, right? We all are. So for me, I love coastal style prawn curry with steamed rice. That's like my all-time favorite.
Seafood,
Seafood. I love seafood. And Atlanta is a place where you get real good fish, is what I've heard, right?
Yes. So any other states you have traveled, or you have any other events happening in different states in United States?
My last few trips, I traveled about 27 cities in US.
Okay.
Yeah, so I've done about 27.
So any tour happening on this trip?
I have a shoot coming up in Austin, and post that I'll be traveling because my cousin stays in the West Coast, so I'll be traveling
Where in the West Coast?
Los Angeles.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we are based in Bay Area.
Oh, right. I love the West Coast. Trust me, when I come to the East Coast or the Central, Naku West Coast ante, I love the whole feel and the people. They're so warm and the vibe is so good on the West Coast. I love it.
West Coast people.
For you guys.
You want to tell to anything to Sakshi TV viewers watching you right now?
I want to say Sakshi TVs again. I think also they have their part happening in India as well, right? Sakshi is also functioning. So I think keep doing the good work, and I'm so glad that you all are here covering the entire event of ATA, and looking forward to give more interviews for you guys.
Thank you so much.
So much. Thank you so much.